How to manage voice clip contribution on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage voice clip contribution on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click this one, settings, and then click general, and general, click privacy, and now click here. You will see this one, voice clip contribution. Just click here and then just click yes if you want to turn it on, and done. And as you see, voice clip contribution has been enabled, and if you want to disable it, just click here and click stop. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.